బిజీగా మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నారు.
మేడం నిన్న నోట్ షేర్ చేయరా? నిన్న జరిగిన క్లాస్ అటెండ్ అవ్వలేదు, నోట్ షేర్ చేయరా?
I didn't get.
Yesterday class I didn't attend. Please share me notes. PPT class.
Ruxana.
మేడం నన్ను కూడా యాడ్ చేయరా దీంట్లో గ్రూప్ లో?
రాహుల్ అండ్ చందు. Ruxana, why you are scribbling on the screen?
No sir. Flavor account la. Arakila check kara. Koda urgent. Arakila check
మేడం
kara.
గ్రూప్ లో నన్ను కూడా యాడ్ చేయరా?
కిలో చక్కెర అర కిలో ఒక ప్యాకెట్ అర కిలో చక్కెర అర కిలో చక్కెర ఒక ప్యాకెట్.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning. Good morning to all. Yes. Furkan, see, if I see anyone is scribbling on the screen, just I'll remove you from the class. I don't want to see anyone scribbling on the paper, on my board. Is it clear? Is understood? Good morning to all my students. Just I'm going to start my class. Now here, next yesterday we have finished the financial accounting, the branches of finance accounting. Yes, you can see the screen. The students, you can see the screen. Just you can message. I don't want anyone. Furkan, next time if I see you, Furkan only. If I see you again, just I'll throw you out. Okay. Preeti, don't scribble on the paper board. Preeti. ఏందమ్మా నువ్వు కత్తలు పడుతున్నావు? అరే 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 ఒక్కసారి మ్యూట్ చేయకుంటే మాత్రము ఒకటే వాగుడు. If anyone have the doubt, you can raise your hand. Just everyone remove your raising your hand. If anyone has a doubt, you raise your hand, I'll mute you. Okay. Yeah, branches of accounting. Branches of accounting, it is classified into three. One is a financial accounting, managerial accounting, cost accounting. So financial accounting, where it is always processes to generate the interim and financial auditing. That is whatever the monthly, yearly, whatever the processes we have, that is a financial statements, that everything will be done. And whatever the result of all the financial transactions that occur during accounting period. Accounting period, always it may be from the 1st January to 31st December and 1st April to the 31st March. So that is a financial year. That is a accounting period always from the January 1st to 31st December. So that is accounting period are summarized. Summarized means it is clearly explained into the balance sheet. That is income and statement and the cash flow statement. And next is a managerial accounting. Managerial accounting where it is uses much of the same data, where it is like it is same as a financial accounting, but it is organized in a different way. So here in this financial accounting, it's greatly Venkat Sai. That is whatever the managerial accounting, mainly it is different from, it is same as a financial accounting. It generates a monthly or quarterly report of the business management team. Srinivas Rao. And where it is a there is a managerial accounting, it is also encompasses many other facts. That is including the budgeting, forecasting, various financial analysis tools. We have financial analysis tools like cash flow statement and cash budget, common size. These all are comes under the managerial accounting. And cost accounting. Bhumika, ఇప్పుడు నేను తెలుగులో చెప్తే yesterday, Shweta, its voice is not coming. I'm not clearly audible, ma, students. Bhumika, if I tell in the Telugu, they are telling yesterday only they told Madam Telugulo చెప్పకండి మాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు. So here cost accounting, where it the businesses makes the decisions, that is about the management cost. It is where is the management about the management. Cost accounting also helps in the business accounting, that is in the accounting where it takes the decisions about in the decisions in the business. So essentially cost accounting considered all the costs, means that is a single unit. Actually this cost accounting is mostly useful in the factories, that is a labor cost, material cost per unit, production cost. Okay Rakesh. So here it is a clearly made, that is a analytics of the manager, means how much the work is done by the one labor, so how much the amount. So here these are the things can be made in the cost accounting, that is product should be cost. So ఇప్పుడు మనం ఒక ప్రోడక్ట్ తయారు చేస్తున్నాం, ప్రోడక్ట్ తయారు చేసినప్పుడు దాని కాస్ట్ ఎంత పడుతుంది ఎస్టిమేషన్ వేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ ఎస్టిమేషన్ వేసిన తర్వాత then you will be going with the each and every item, అంటే రా మెటీరియల్ కి ఎంత అయింది, ప్రొడక్షన్ కి ఎంత అయింది, లేబర్ కి ఎంత అయింది, అవన్నీ కలిపిన తర్వాత అంటే కాస్ట్ విల్ బి మేడ్. మా హిందీ తెలుగు ఇవన్నీ చెప్తూ ఉంటే మన పోర్షన్ అవ్వదు. If you are going start telling in the Telugu and Hindi and English in 3 languages, I can't complete my, because you will have the limited time. So here, when you are making the raw material, everything it will be taken into consideration, and then only the cost of the product can be given. Okay. Next, in the accounting, who are the parties very interested will take the information. So here we have first is the owner. Owner, where is the, you are, suppose you are a owner where you have made one organization. So to establish that organization, first you needed the capital, means the owner will provide the capital for the organization. And even they want to know whether their funds is properly used or not. So that whether it is used properly or not, also that also the owner has to see. And then also he needs accounting information to know that profitability and financial position of the concern where it is invested. Okay. So here the owner is the person where he comes with the funds to invest and make it as a capital to establish one organization. See here, I am finding the some of the people who are scribbling on the screen. If next time if I see, just I'll remove them from the class. And don't ask me again. So here, and that also will be, and the owner has to see whether the funds which is used, that is properly utilized or not. And they need accounting information. Even they need accounting information. What is the product is they are going to be produced? It is a profitability and what will be the financial position of the concern. So I have removed the Sheikh Nazneen because she are making the scribbling on the screen. So if you want to also remove from the class, you can draw the lines on my screen. So next is the management. Here, management is the art of getting things done through others. Means where the owner is establishing one organization, he is investing and he has appointing some of the people and the work is done through them. So that to make that work also, it is an art. Okay. And the management where he has to ensure that the subordinates, where they are working under him, they are working properly or not, doing work properly or not. And the accounting information where it is the making the information, that is accounting information, is an aid in this respect because it helps the manager. Means here, whatever accounting information they are getting, that it makes help the manager. Manager means the owner, where it is appraising the performance of subordinates. Means time to time he has to see that what is the performance of his subordinates who are working under him. You are not getting my voice? Then why this is a fellow is telling that अरे आवाज ही नहीं आ रहा, क्लास क्या सुनना? What happened, Siddiq? Siddhika, you're not able to hear my voice? So yeah, this is a management. Is a management always he is an art where making the people done the work through others. And here that manager has to see the subordinates whether they are working in a properly or not, and what will be the performance appraisal when they are making the work. Okay. Then is the creditors. Who are the creditors? The person who supply the goods on credit or the bank. So that is a lender of money. Means when suppose I am the producer where I am getting the goods from others. So that the person who supply means when I am supplying the goods, I am the creditor. When the bank is giving the loan, banker will be the creditor. And lender of money who is giving the hand loan, he is a creditor. Okay. And they want to know the financial position. So the creditor must know the financial position before giving the loan or granting the credit. So suppose the creditor also see that if the company is coming and asking for the raw material, he has to see that whether he will pay or not. Means the financial position of that particular company is good or not. Okay. And even they must very sure that the concern will be experience difficulty in making their payment in time. So that also see that it must be very sure. Ma Nishant, if you are the Telugu medium background means the other screen also there, Ma, you can go and join in the Telugu medium. Telugu medium ఎవరికైతే తెలుగు కావాలనుకుంటున్నారో you can go and join in the Telugu medium class. So here creditors, the person who supplies the goods or the person who is giving the loan or the person who is giving the personal loan to hand loan to others, then he will be the creditor. Samir Babu, Ma, if you want in Telugu explanation means you go and join in Telugu medium. Next, employees. Employees means the people who are interested in the financial position of a concern, where it is people when they are working particularly in a companies and the payment of bonus where it is depends upon the profits, the employees. And there is also demand for wage rise, you know, and there is also if any demand is there, if the salaries are not paid, if the profits are getting to the management, that owner, that they are not giving, then they're going to go for the strike. But here, the demand for wage rise, bonus, better working condition, etc. This all depends upon a profitability. If you're working very good, if you are making your working condition is good, then it depends on the profitability of the concern, and it depends upon financial position. So it's if this comes on the financial position, then only the employees will be getting the financial position will be increased. Okay. Government. Government is interested in accounting. Wait ma 2 minutes. So your next one is a government. Government is interested in accounting. Yes, because they will be earning or the sales for a particular period. That is purpose of the taxation. Samir, what happened, ma? మా కొంచెం కొంచెం ఒక తెలుగులో యూజ్ చేసే వాళ్ళు హిందీలో కూడా అడుగుతారు నన్ను. So who is this ma? Siddheshwar? Samir. Siddheshwar, it is Samir Babu. Where is disturbing the class? It is Samir Babu disturbing the class. Samir Babu, again, if you make a nuisance in the class, I will remove you. So here, government. Government also needed the accounting information. Why they need the information about? That is complete. That is, they have to pay the taxation. So that is, the government also need accounting information for compiling the statistic concern, where it is a national accounts too. When these all the accounts, when the government is using this financial accounting, cost accounting, and managerial accounting, this all makes into the government, that is a national accounts, GDP. And next is a consumer. Consumer means who? The person who buy the goods. Vamshi Krishna, what happened? So here, consumers, they need the accounting information, complete accounting information. So here, the cost of production may be reduced with the result reduction of the price of goods then buy. Just give me the names, ma, who are disturbing. Just you write the names who are disturbing. I'll remove them. Now I've removed the Kiran also. I have removed the Kiran. Okay, Samir Babu. GDP means you don't know it, huh? Gross domestic product. अपना कोरोना के वजह से ना पूरा अपना GDP पूरा गिर गया. So with that, the financial economy has come down. Yes, government bear the whole thing. The government also use the accounting information. So it is a government also have their own departments. So where it is a compiling the statistics. So government companies go how they are making the development, and it all depends upon that only they will be making the GDP. So these all the things can be done with the government. Then is a consumer. Consumer means the person who is buying the goods, where he with the satisfaction, the production and goods are buy. If the person is satisfied, then only the consumer will buy the goods. Sometimes the prices for some goods So yeah, sometimes the prices for the some goods are fixed by the government. So it needs accounting information to fix the reasonable prices so that the consumer are not exploited. Reasonable hai to kya hota? So reasonably they can buy the product. If suppose the product is bought in the market, and that should be a reasonable for the middle class and lower class people also, then they can afford it and they buy. Nowadays you are seeing, if you are Trust shampoo. Trust shampoo, where it is coming in a big bottles. So that big bottles can be affordable for the middle class people? No. So they can and cannot afford. So they're also very interested to buy and they want to use it. So what the government and the owner, the managers, what they did, they are made in the small sachets where it is 2 rupees, 5 rupees, means they can afford and they can also feel very happy that they have reasonable price to buy it. Is it right? So even there also. Ma, this is a very important question. You can take the screenshot. Parties interested in accounting information. 2 slides. Have you taken, ma? Next, these are the 2 slides. Okay, this is a very important question. Now, what are the advantages of accounting? Here, accounting tells the financial position. Yes, when the financial position of the business comes, means accounts, when you do the accounts, we will be knowing the financial position. In the starting of the year, you have introduced the money, that is 1 lakh rupee. By the end of the December, you must know the financial position. Means you have got the money more than 1 lakh or below the 1 lakh. That is accounting tells the financial position, because when you are writing the each and every information, that is a bookkeeper will be writing the day-to-day activities about the finance. Ma, please don't ask me about the PPT. I cannot share you. Whatever the questions I tell you, you take the screenshot. That's it. PDF I can't send you. So just now I told, yesterday also have given the some of the questions, ask you to take the screenshot. So unnecessarily giving the whole PPT is a waste. So wherever you are, which are the questions you are going to get in the exam, that questions only I ask you to take the screenshot. Okay. If I share the for now, it is a 20 to 30 slides. Which one you know that? Which one you will be studying? So just now I told, yesterday also I asked to take the screenshot of the bookkeeper and accounting, because that is a very important. Just know what was the question I asked you to take. That is important. Now the advantages of accounting. It's important. Is it clear? Don't ask me, madam, please share the PDF. I can't share the PDF. The whole PDF. It's a waste. आप लोग कैसा भी नहीं पढ़ेंगे. So important questions पढ़े तो भी enough है. Got my point? So here, when you do the accounting, you will be knowing the financial position. Is it right? Then, assistant to manager. Assistant to manager means where the accounts provide the necessary data to the manager. Means here the bookkeeper will give the necessary information that is in the form of profit and loss account. Means here the day-to-day activity. Means today we got this much goods inside. We have sent the goods. Means each and everything when you are making, so that accounting will also provide the necessary data that is in the form of profit and loss account and balance sheet. So with that, you will be taking the decision. Decision can be made. The next is a replaces memory. Replaces memory means accounting records all the transactions in a systematic and timely manner. So whatever you are recording in accounting, it is in a transaction in the properly, that is in a systematic manner. If you are, means systematic manner means what? Suppose I said the goods are purchased. What is the entry? What is the entry? Per goods are purchased means purchases account data to cash account. Now, how you'll post that? Two transactions, one transaction in the cash book, one transaction in the one transaction in the purchase book, the other transaction in the cash book. So two will be made. That is if we need the information in future, we can easily find the information from the account books. Is it clear? Then helps in comparison. How you're making comparison? If you have the two products, we will compare and you'll be taking. Let me complete my explanation. Don't chat in this. First you listen. First you listen. You will be getting the important questions. No worries. No queries. Okay. And here that is helps in the comparison. Means accounting. I don't want to see anyone. If it is understood or not, that only you put yes or no. That's it. And don't ask me about madam, ye kya wo kya, unnecessary things. So here, whatever I have to want to explain, it's getting going out. So I'm seeing your conversation also. So stop doing. First you listen. If you listen properly, no need of any important questions. Helps in the comparison. Helps in the comparison means accounting format for different business is the same. Whatever the business, accounting format will be the same. If you are going other country or wherever the company, whatever this one, the accounting process will be the same. Different business accounting format for the different business will be the same. So we can compare our organization performance. So whatever the performance you got this year, so you can compare with other organization. Why that organization is getting more profit, why I'm not? So you can, the performance can be performance, you can make the comparison from the last year. So you can see that last year, if you are getting the more profits, this year you are not getting, means why? Why you are not getting? That also you can make a comparison. To get more profit also, what to do? That also new ideas also, you have to make it. Okay. Helps in a So here, helps in calculation of tax liabilities. So when you are knowing the profit and loss account where it provides the current year position, that easily can be, अगर ये साल में अपने को profit आया, मतलब कि ఒక year లో మన profit వచ్చిందంటే, immediately you can calculate that tax liability. You can easily understand. Understood? Helps in the decision making. How you will be making the decision? If the accounting helps in the taking decision for growth of business, means how the business growth that will be making. And these are the decision where it is selecting the price of the product or checking over the employees' expenses. So by seeing all the expenses, whatever the decision, then you will be checking over all the things. Nishant, these all the things at the last 5 minutes, I'll give you all. What are the messages you can give me? Because my eye is on your chat box. So I'm seeing that you are making this. But don't worry. After completing your portion, I will be giving you important questions. Okay? Or else, Nishant, you can call me and you can talk to me, okay, afterwards. Okay. And here, where it is helps in a decision making, means here accounting, where the knowing the current financial effect, we can make the decisions also. And evidence of a transaction means whatever the transaction, that is the evidence when you are recording, we must use the evidence. So transaction, when you are evidence, what will be the evidence? Your author will be the evidence. If something in any happened wrong in your business, it will be made. That is a bills or any authors. With that only the evidence. If it is any wrongly, if you are posted, then it will be affect your company. Is it right? Disadvantage. No guarantee of accuracy. Means we cannot say that it is accurate. That is whatever you are recorded in the financial transaction, that is a past value, we cannot make it. So it does not consider the real value or market value of assets. Okay. And the liabilities. So the values can manipulated easily. Yes, that frauds can also be manipulated very easily. Understood? And next is a real value of item. What is the real value of item? When the financial accounting does not show any real value of accounts, that is assets, it shows the past value. So here what is they'll do? At the time of the income tax, the big companies, very big companies, they will show that we have purchased the fixed asset, like a machinery we have purchased. So they will not purchase anything, but they will produce the evidence like that. And the last year when they purchase that, they will only make it and it will show as that it is a new one. So depreciation can also be charged. So that is on any rate also they can make. So the real value of item also there is a disadvantage. And accounting ignores the qualitative element. What is a qualitative element? That is a financial transaction which is in the monetary form. It is considered completed and that it does not make anything. It is a financial statements can be manipulated. Upar niche, aage piche, they will make and manipulate and they can make a false statement, false position to the investors. Okay. And costly for small firm. So when the small firm is not very big, like Ambani ka jaisa bada firm nahi, very small firm like the startup companies. Now the startup companies, how they are coming, so they not have the lot of finance, less finance only. So making proper accounts and audit, the chartered accountant very costly for them. Okay, so small families ko chartered accountant will charge more amount. If it is a big companies like Ambani or the Tata, so these are the companies, they will not charge very much because they will have a lot of finance. Okay. And the privacy of firm. Privacy of firm is there is no privacy for those who prepare accounts as it is shown to the general public, where it is including your competitors. Competitors means when you are selling any product in the market, there will be opposition. Competitors always will come forward and they will give the discounts and they will give the attracting the public. So they are the competitors. So you take this one also advantages of accounting, ma. Make it fast. Define accounting and explain its advantages and disadvantages. Finished, ma? Next. Okay. Now, accounting principles and standards. Wait 2 minutes, ma. 1 minute. I will share the other PPT. Now you can see the screen better. Yes. So here, the first one is a accounting concept. Take the screenshot, ma. In the accounting concepts, we have a business entity concept, money measurement concept, going concern concept, accounting period concept, accounting cost concept, dual asset accept concept, matching concept, realization concept, accrual concept. Now, you can see. Okay. So these are the accounting concepts. Take the screenshot, ma. Okay. Everyone can see. Take this is a concept. Very important question is the long answer. Accounting concepts, these all are the concepts. Have you taken? Matiskunara screenshot? Yes. Okay. Now we'll see the accounting concept. What is meaning of the accounting concept? Accounting concept where it is defined the assumption on the basis of which financial statement of a business entity are prepared. Means where this is whatever the financial statement of a business entity when they are made the concept. Then concept are those basic assumptions and conditions which form the basis upon which the accountancy has been laid. Here, accounting concept. Accounting is different than concept. Concept is a basic assumption. Accounting is a defining assumption. So in this, you take the screenshot of this one. Business entity. First is a business entity. That is business entity concept. In this concept assumes that For accounting purpose, the business enterprises and its owner are two separate. See here, business enterprises and the owner, these two are separate. Is it clear? So for the independent entities, thus the business and personal transaction, where the one person, when he established a business, that is his business and the personal transaction, means whether from the business, if you are making the transaction of its owner are separate. Personal and the business both will be the separate. That is a business entity. For example, when owner invests the money in the business, it is recorded as a liability. Okay. If suppose if you are intended, you want to establish one company where you are investing the money, that is a liability. Okay. To the owner. Similarly, when the owner takes away from the business cash or a goods, that is a personal. That is it's not treated as a business expenses. Are you clear? Take the screenshot. It's a long answer. Or next, money measurement concept means here, what is a money measurement? This is a money that this concept always it is assumes that all business transaction must be in the terms of money only, not in a commodity. So that is a currency of a country. If suppose I'm going to the America and I'm buying any product and I'm giving the Indian currency, will they accept? No. So here we have to pay the country's currency. So in our country, such transaction is termed as a rupees. In our country, we are paying as a rupees. So as per the money measurement concept, the transaction which can be expressed in terms of money only, and that will be recorded in the books of accounts. Is it clear? Because suppose एक प्रोडक्ट खरीदने के लिए आए, सो आपके पास पैसे नहीं है, ये वॉच ले लो बोल के दे दी तो लेता हो ना, इसका कॉस्ट इतना ही है बोल के लियो बोल लेता नहीं लेता. सो उसका कॉस्ट कितना है? इट शुड बी पेइंग द मनी ओनली. फॉर एग्जांपल, सेल ऑफ गुड्स वर्थ इज 2 lakhs. Rent paid is 10,000, etc. These all are termed in money, so that they will be recorded in the books of accounts. Okay, but the transaction which cannot be expressed in the monetary terms are not recorded in the books of accounts. That is a money measure. Books mein nahi likhte, they will not write because the goods what you have purchased and you paid the rent. So that is not. So that will be in the expressed in the monetary term are not recorded in the books of accounts. For example, sincerity, loyalty and not recorded. अब जाके अरे मैं तुम्हारा दोस्ती चुना रे दे देना फ्री में. That is sincerity. अरे इतना बहुत अच्छा है, इसको दे देंगे खाने के लिए, अरे इसको दे देंगे ये दे देंगे. That will be makes the sincerity and the loyalty. वैसे चीजें अपन books में नहीं लिखते, and that cannot also measured in terms of money. Got understood? Take the screenshot of money measurement concept. Make it fast, ma. Or yes. Now next is a going concern concept. This also take and keep ready. And this concept states that going concern means it will be continue. Continuity will be there. It will not stop. So this concept states that a business firm will continue to carry on its activity. Today you have started a business, tomorrow you will not stop. So after 1 year, means if you are getting the losses, you will not close your business. You will make the changes in your business to earn the profit. Is it clear? So you will be continue to carry on its activity for an indefinite period of time. Simply stated, it means that every business entity has continuity of life. Yes, every business, wherever you have stated, it will be having the continuity. Thus, it will not dissolve in any, that is in the near future. So this is very important assumption, that is accounting, where it provides the basis on the That is value of assets in balance sheet. Okay. Next is a accounting period concept. Accounting period concept means what? All the transactions when you are recorded in the books. एक 10 साल का निकाल के ये accounting concept बोलते नहीं होता. Accounting period concept means all the transactions are recorded in the books of accounts. That is on the assumption that profits on this transaction are ascertained for specified period. Specified period. The accounting period क्या है? January 1st, 2022 to December 31st, January 2022. That is accounting period. So after that, they will not club it. 23 का 22 में club नहीं करते. The concept required that balance sheet and the profit and loss account should be prepared at regular intervals. Regularly, you have to make it. And this is necessary for different purposes. That is calculation of profits, ascertaining the financial position, and tax computation. So, apne accounting period mein hai to we can pay the taxation and we can show the financial position. So that is the accounting period is must. So accounting period means 16 months, 17 months, 20 months. Nahi rehta. Accounting period will be for 12 months. So that the tax inquiry will be quarterly, half yearly. Quarterly means yearly 2 times. Half yearly means that is our 2 times, and quarterly means every 4 months. Okay. Now, accounting cost concept means here accounting cost concept. Next one is accounting cost concept. Cost concept means it states all assets where you'll write that is on the asset side, that is in the books of accounts at purchase price. Okay, then which includes the cost of acquisition, transportation. Suppose if you are buying any product, in that you will charge only the how much you have purchased. The cost of your product is 20,000. So only 20,000 you'll write? No. In that, you will have to show the transportation amount, installation also, and not at the market price. Okay. So these all should be included. It means that fixed asset like building, plant and machinery, furniture, these all are recorded in the books of accounts at the price paid for them. Okay. Why, Sai, you want me to go out? Time ho gaya, madam, bol ke bata rahe. Dual concept. Dual means 2. So here, dual concept is foundation or basic principle of accounting. It provides the very basic of recording the business transaction that is in the books of accounts. This concept always assumes that every transaction has a dual asset. Dual asset means whenever you are writing debit and credit. And means dual concept, one more dual concept, how that is a goods purchased. Goods purchased means purchased goods. Goods account, purchases account data to, yes, you have take the dual concept also. That is a purchase account data to cash account. So your purchases will be a debit and the cash is a credit. Means that is a dual asset. And assets is equals to liability plus capital. Assets ka value, it will be equal when the liability plus capital. It is a dual concept. Assets and liabilities, debit and credit, that is a dual. Then matching concept. Matching concept means the matching concept states that revenue and expenses where you have incurred to earn, the revenue must belong to the same accounting period. वो कहाँ का पुराना लेखा कि ये साल का बोल नहीं होता, because there will be the proof. Is it clear? So that is a revenue must belongs to the same accounting period. Once the revenue is released, the next step is allocate. Matching concept means where Don't worry, Durga. And the student who are all taking this screenshot now, they will post in the group. Don't worry. So once a budget is released, release hua to kya hua? So what the central government will do? This amount is every state ko itta will allocate kar di. Released. Once the revenue is released, the next step is allocated to the relevant accounting periods. Is it the accounting period means it is the accounting that is for each and every state. And this can be done with the help of accrual concept. If the revenue is more than the expenses, then you will be getting the profit. If the expenses are more than revenue, you will be getting the loss. Means that is a matching concept. Revenue. Revenue means what? Where you are getting. Is it clear? Expenses means where you are paying. If your revenue is more than the expenses means you will be getting the profit. And the revenue is less than the expenses, you will be getting the loss. Is it clear? So it is a matching concept. Then realization concept. Realization concept means this concept states that revenue from any business transaction should be included in the accounting records. Whether it is a loss or it may be the profit, you have to record in the accounting records when it is released. So the term when it is realization means creation of legal rights to receive the money. So receive the money means nowadays what the government is telling, when you are buying any product, you take the receipt. Means when you are taking the receipt, that is a legal right. You can go to the court also. Selling goods is realization. Receive orders is not. In other words, it is said to be that revenue is said to have a realized when cash has been received or receive cash on the sale of goods or services, both has been credited. Understood? The concept of realization states that revenue is realized at the time when goods or services are actually delivered. Goods and services at the time, it is a concept realized when it is get the goods and services. Here example, see, a jeweler received an order to supply gold ornament for worth kya hai? 5 lakhs. They supplied ornament worth is a received order kitne ka liye? 5 lakhs ka. But they have supplied how much? 2 lakhs. Up to the year ending 31st, 2005, and the rest of the ornament was supplied. Means wahi saal mein kar diye. So the revenue for the year 2005 for the jewelry is 2 lakhs. More and mere getting an order is not considered. Is it clear? Order kitna ka hai? 5 lakhs ka hai. But kitna spend kare? 2 lakhs hai. So that is the year is 31st December ke andar. They have paid. But they have supplied when? In the 2006. The revenue is a 2005. The jewelry cost is a 2000. They have given in the 2006. So that will not be considered as a revenue until they have delivered. Deliver nahi kare to they will not be right written. Got my point? Accrual concept. Take this one screenshot now. The meaning of accrual is something that becomes due, especially an amount of money that is yet to be paid. Yet to be paid. Accrual. Suppose if you are working in a government department, government is not having the budget, is not released. That month you didn't get the salary. Next month also you didn't get the salary. But you will find that in your mind that the government is going to pay the amount at any cost. Means that you have an idea that the government will release the revenue. No more, it is a accrual concept. So especially that is not yet to be paid or received at the end of the financial accounting year. It means that revenue are recognized when they become the receivable. Receivable accrual concept means they will get the sure they are going to get the amount. The cash is received or not received, and the expenses are recognized when they become the payable. The cash is paid or not paid. Both transaction will be recorded in the accounting. First, they will write that in the record, that is salaries are not paid. Then after paying that, that is both should be mentioned in the records. Understood? It's clear to everyone? And this conventions, it is only the 4. You take the screenshot, ma, because I again have to go to the other class. Accounting convention. And this is explanation for accounting convention. Then convention consistency. Over. Next, convention of full disclosure. Yes. Convention of materiality. Convention of conservatism. Okay. So these are the question is long answer. You are going to get it. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, have a doubt, please. Yes. It is for BCom General. Yes, ma'am. It is for all BCom General and it is a BCom Computers. Yes, Amir, what the doubt you have? What the doubt, Amir? Any doubt to anyone? Sirisha? Sirisha? Rahul and Chandu? You are there or not? Sirisha? Ma link send cheyamma. You are also admin kada? See, someone has sent the link. You can join with that. Ma Pula, Shirisha will send the link. You join with that. Ma, don't worry. Nayak, Sirisha will send all the PPTs. Whoever will send the, you can send the screenshot. Beta. Okay. We'll meet next week. Next week, we'll start doing the problems. Okay. So I'll come in the next class now. In the next class, we have again. Okay. See you better. That is again from when 1 to 2, no? Okay. Leave it. Leave now.